This is the 6th edition of the TechBIZKON, bringing European startups to Japan, bringing Japanese startups to Europe. Mobility, the topic of the year. How to do it more sustainable. How to provide smoother mobility solutions for people. It's a journey into the future.
We bring you here the best of Europe and of Japan.
It's 4 European countries now, Austria, Italy, Germany and Belgium, that joined with a Japanese partner.
It's a pitch contest today, so everybody's fighting for their next future, amazing business.
I would like to welcome you very much, as Ingomar said, to the 6th edition of the TechBIZKON. So it's really a pleasure to see how it developed.
We really believe in the concept of TechBIZKON, and we are looking forward to continue this as long as possible.
We are honored to be here today and to introduce you the Italian startups. We are confident that you will find their project interesting.
Today we will discover a lot of very interesting innovative startups.
The mobility industry is being reborn.
For autonomous driving, it's important to know the environment very precisely.
Today, we had 30 startups from Europe, from Japan, pitching here about the more sustainable and smoother mobility for the future of all of us.
And our goal is to accelerate the decarbonization of the shipping industry with AI for better ship performance modeling.
And today I have brought you the most sustainable battery in the world, made of cotton.
Connected car technology will help save more than 400,000 tons of CO2 and preventing more than 200,000 accidents.
This is a drone port. It safely allows the drone to land, to recharge, and also to automatically take the parcel from the customer to another customer.
In the past, mobility was defined by getting from A to B. Now it is about safety, connectivity, and sustainability. This change brings progress. As a technology company, Continental would like to support young entrepreneurs to unlock the potential of innovation. We are excited to meet innovators who help us to create value for a better tomorrow.
The big strength of TechBIZKON is it's combining different companies and different countries that want to move forward and to find solutions. The challenges in mobility are the same everywhere. We need to make it smoother, we need to make it cleaner. So we have digital solutions on the one hand and clean fuels on the other hand. As CMB, we're a shipping company, but we have a very big clean tech division which is focusing on green mobility. So that's a perfect link between TechBIZKON and what we do.
So for our organization, the German Chamber of Commerce and Industry, of course, it's very important to have startups on our radar to support the development of these young entrepreneurs and companies that are looking for further opportunities. The exchange between German and Japanese businesses is increasing.
And Austria has a very strong funding landscape, especially for doing R&D there. A very strong subsidies, a grant scheme. And for us, it's really a good chance, a good opportunity to showcase Austria, to really show to a young and creative startup scene here in Japan what Austria stands for, what Austria is good for.
Mobility technology, what is the tech that leads the way?
In Europe, 12% of new sales are represented by electric vehicles.
So there's a huge move towards sustainability.
There's already quite a high level of either remote piloted or autonomous shipping going on. And that's a discipline that's quite strong in Flanders.
The Flemish startup ecosystem is very active. The last 6 years, we are the fastest growing startup ecosystem in Europe. Strong point of Flanders is that we are centrally located in Europe, which creates us an opportunity to connect with all the large domestic markets around us. Mobility is a key element in our ecosystem, with the Port of Antwerp, Bruges, for instance, with the Port of Ghent, for instance. This creates a lot of mobility power and a lot of mobility opportunities for many startups.
Italian universities are dedicating more and more activities on the development and promotion of spin-outs and startups from the company. Now all the universities have technology transfer offices, the accelerator of the Polytechnic of Milano. It's one of the 5 top accelerators in the world. So there is a lot of potential from these new activities, new entrepreneurship. Many interesting ideas can be cross-fertilized with collaboration with Europe.
The most important thing for startups if they want to go to Japanese market is go to Japan first. I mean, they need to know the customers here, talk to them. Thousands of market research data didn't match one conversation with the real customer they want to reach. So come to Japan first.
To help some startup wants to start their business in Japan, and I introduced Japanese culture, like a business culture to them. We need to know some kind of minimal thing, the minimum culture to work in Japan.
The important thing is keep going, because for the startup, they have a lot of issues to solve. So just keep going and do it.
Today, from Flanders region, we would like to offer the Explore Europe Award to MAP4.
This award goes to Ubik.
Congratulations.
Too higher. Yay.
Congratulations. The winner of the prize is PJPI.
Congratulations.